Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to uninstall Adobe Acrobat in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type apps. You'll be having this apps and features under system settings, or you can click on add or remove programs. I will just open this, and here we will be having this search this list option. Go here and just search for Adobe, and here we will be having the Adobe Acrobat. Click this and just select uninstall and click uninstall. So if your aim is to only remove Adobe Acrobat and you are also having many other Adobe products like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, you can literally stop with this. But in case if you don't have any other Adobe apps, in that case you can simply remove Adobe Genuine Service also. So you can just click here and uninstall this. And if I go to now control panel and just refresh it, as you can see both these programs have been removed. Now we can go and delete some folders. So first thing, just go to this PC local disk C and go inside program files. Here we are having a folder named Adobe. Just delete this, and next come back and to the top we are having view and check this hidden items, and we'll be having this folder called as program data. Here also we are having a folder named Adobe. Just delete this, and now just go to search and search for run. We'll be having this run system. Open it, type here percentage app data percentage and hit enter. So we will be getting this app data roaming folder. Here also we are having the Adobe one. Delete this and go back and just check inside these two folders also. If you have Adobe, just delete it. And here also in local, and don't forget to empty your recycle bin. That's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.